Afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. So today we're looking at a very useful little kit which I bought a few months ago off Amazon for under a fiver. It's a Rolson inspection mirror set which comprises of two items. First of which is a very useful mirror with an LED light, and the second item comprises of a magnetic LED light, both of which are telescopic and extend to about 600mm or 24 inches. Now, in the short time I've had these, I use these regularly because basically I'm very clumsy and always dropping things. Now I've got just a tool for retrieving that, guys. Okay, so we'll come back to that in a moment. Could have sworn I saw it, you know, when I checked initially. I don't know whether you can see it, it's just down there, look. So, what I'm going to do is ho-ho! Sweet! There you go, look. Job's a good one.